Introducing the Philips 3200 Series FullyAutomatic Espresso Machine with LatteGo MilkFrother. This sleek and stylish machine is perfect for coffee lovers who want to enjoy a variety of coffee drinks right in the comfort of their own home. The benefits of this espresso machine are endless. With its intuitive touch display, you can easily choose from 5 different coffee varieties at just the touch of a button. The LatteGo MilkFrother ensures that you have perfectly frothed milk for your lattes and cappuccinos every time. The 100% ceramic grinder guarantees a consistent grind for a smooth and delicious cup of coffee. Imagine waking up in the morning to the aroma of freshly brewed coffee, all ready to go with just a touch of a button. With the Philips 3200 series, you can now enjoy cafe-quality coffee without ever having to leave your house. So why wait? Treat yourself to the Philips 3200 series FullyAutomatic Espresso Machine today and start enjoying delicious coffee at home. Your taste buds will thank you.